sprouts. Today's video is about OREO cupcakes. Yes, this is so simple, super yummy and 2-ingredient recipe. Even our layman can do this, yes. Because those who are very poor in baking can do this. This would go well with any of your potluck parties or your kids' birthday parties, or you can serve this if you have guests at home. Trust me guys, this would be super delicious. Yes, without wasting our time, let's get started. Oh, wait. I forgot to mention that if you want more such videos, subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon for regular updates. And if you like my videos, please share with your friends and family. That will help me to grow. And a lot of things are happening in my Instagram handle. Check that too. Link will be given in the description box. So now, let's get started.